Hello, everyone. Hello to you two who just joined us. Thank you very much for subscribing. So, today we are making blueberry, banana, and oats pancakes. Yes, you heard correctly. Just sit back, relax, and take notes. Sunbanani, Sunbanani. Hello, 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 Sunbanani. It's Dumi J here again. Long time no see. Okay, we're here, guys, with another cooking video, and today we're making breakfast. It's China. It's 12 something, 12 p.m. Ne? But it's still morning because I'm gonna eat breakfast, right? So today we are making banana slash oats and blueberry pancakes, guys. Have you heard of this? Listen. Okay, so what we're gonna need, half cup of oats, quick oats or whatever oats you prefer. A half cup of blueberries. These ones are actually frozen. I just defrosted them. Okay, we need two eggs, and two bananas. So first we're going to mash a banana. Let's smash the banana. Right, let me wash my fork and I'll come back. I'm back. Okay, so let's smash a banana wako. I think it's better to first cut it into like pieces, like smaller pieces, and then start to mash. But guys, you don't need to see this. You know how to mash a banana. Just use your fork, whatever utensil you have or you prefer, you mash up banana wako. Right. Oh, I forgot to mention with here you also need just a little bit of vanilla extract or vanilla essence, but I think this is optional. You can leave it out if you don't want to use it, right? Just a dash of it. All right, so mash. Fast forward. Ta-da! So here are my mashed bananas. What am I saying? Okay, so you're just gonna mash it. If you are lazy to do it by hand, you can use a food processor or whatever. Right, so this is like a thick puree. Right, mash it so you have like a thick puree like this. Okay, next, add in your two eggs in like so. And then mix masala. There we go. Okay, break those lumps a bit to make it a bit smoothish. There we go. Oh, my arm. Sorry about that. Alright. Then next, let's get this dish of vanilla. There we go. I think I put quite a little bit more than I should have, but this will do. And just whisk and break. I don't like lumpy banana or lumpy pancake, so just break it down a bit. Next, this is my oatsy. I actually have the cooking one, like lower pikayo, but I think quick oats will work much better because my pancake very water, and you don't want to be eating the oats ihlaza. Alright, then add in your oats like so. Ooh la la. Okay, there we go. Mix it in. Okay, in the meantime, heat up your skillet or whatever, your pan, where you're gonna make your pancakes in. Right, last ingredient. I'm a blueberry. I think fresh blueberries will work much better because right now these ones are a bit mushy because they were frozen. But I think they'll do. Okay, so put in your blueberries. Unamanzi because obviously because it be at freezing so. Okay, there we go. Okay, then mix. Then we are done, baby. Rots. Oh, this looks nice, doesn't it? This is a nice, healthy breakfast. Like, your pig. Alright, see you on the flip side. Unfortunately, the batter was too runny and the pancakes just fell apart, so I decided to add a little bit of flour, quarter cup of flour and quarter cup of milk. just to make the batter like come together and make nice pancakes. Just smear a little bit of butter in your pan to avoid sticking, and yeah, just scoop 1 big spoonful of the batter to the pan and wait until you see the bubbles on top. Just wait for about 3 to 4 minutes before you flip to cook the other side. Okay, in the meantime, enjoy my music. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Baby, I need it, baby, baby. So once your pancakes are done, you can just add a little bit of plain yogurt or whipped cream, whichever you prefer, but I used plain yogurt, and I followed with some strawberries. You can put any fruits you want: strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, fresh one. Right. Yummy, 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 yummy. It's really nice to actually eat it while it's still a bit warm, you know? It really tastes absolutely divine. So yeah, add strawberries, and you can drizzle golden syrup. I didn't have golden syrup, so I just drizzled chocolate sauce, which is what I had. And you can even sprinkle some cinnamon, you know, zhuzh it up a little bit. So you can decorate nje, fake noma yini oyifunayo or whatever you have, you know. Woo, guys, ubumnandi obulana, the deliciousness. Woo! Shem, guys, try this recipe. Try it, and uzobona kumnandi. Ooh. I didn't really think it was gonna be nice with like plain yogurt, yeah, boom. But anyways, it worked, and it was so yummy. You should try it. Subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.